In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Lovable.dev, a dynamic platform where you can explore various projects and engage with the community. Let's dive right in and see what Lovable.dev has to offer. First, you'll want to head over to Lovable.dev's homepage. This is the central hub where your journey begins, and it will be the launching pad for everything we do today. Once you're on the site, keep your eyes peeled for the option to highlight certain areas of interest. You'll find this option readily available. Go ahead and click on it to give it a try. It's a handy feature that allows you to focus on the parts that you're most interested in. Now, with highlighting activated, you're going to type in the specific words or phrases you're curious about. This search capability will help streamline your exploration, ensuring you can find everything you need efficiently. It's like shining a spotlight on the key aspects you don't want to miss. Next up, click on Use Lovable's Workspace. This workspace acts as your personal area where you can organize and manage different projects. After this, it's a good idea to click on View All. This action unveils the full array of available projects and options within your workspace. You don't want to miss out on seeing everything that's on offer. Within the workspace, let's start by clicking on the project title